How to resize an image on Outlook signature. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can resize an image in Outlook signature. To resize an image in your Outlook signature, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type outlook.com. Now press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Outlook. Here make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account. Now once you are logged in, you will reach to this homepage. Here at the top left, you will find this new mail button. Click on it. Now after clicking on it, you will access some more options at the top. From these options, click on this insert option. And at the bottom, you will find this signature option. Click on the signature. And when you click on your saved signature, you will preview your signature. Now let's resize this signature. For that, again you will need to click on the signature option and select the signatures from here. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the settings page. Here in the signatures, you can select the signature you would like to edit, or you can just click on this new signature option and select a new one. Now after doing that, click on this inserted image to select it. Once selected, you will see small dots around the image. Here you can click and drag these handles to resize the image to your desired dimensions. And once you have resized, you can click anywhere on the screen. And now you can rename your signature. For that, you can click on this rename button at the right side. And from here, you can add a new name for your signature. After that, click on the save button to apply the changes. Once doing that, you can click on that cross button at the top to close this Outlook options window. Now after closing it, let's preview the resized image. For that, again you need to click on the signature option, and from here you need to click on this updated signature. And then you can see you have successfully resized an image on Outlook signature. So by following the steps, you should be able to resize an image on your Outlook signature easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.